Kim at Tony, pinagsasabong. No to mining. Yung isa, go to responsible mining. Naikukumpara ng ilang netizen si Kim Chiu kay Tony Gonzaga. Magkaiba raw ang disposition nila. Tumatak kasi kay Tony ang pag-i-endorse niya noon sa party list about mining, habang si Kim naman ay nananawagan na no to mining. Sa expose ni Kim, sinabi niya na araw-araw tayong pinoprotektahan ng mga bundok laban sa bagyo, baha at matinding init. Tahimik lang silang nakatayo, walang hinihinging kapalit. Pero patuloy silang nagbibigay ng buhay, ng hangin, ng ginhawa. Sana ganun din ang gawin ng mga nasa itaas. Sana marinig nila ang sigaw ng kalikasan bago pa man maging huli ang lahat. Hayaan silang maging sila, ang mga bundok na bumubuhay. Ang mga bundok na tahanan ng maraming nilalang, ang mga bundok na nagsisilbing protection ng Luzon at ng buong sambayanan. At saka, siya nanawagan na no to mining. Walang construction, walang pagwasak, kung kaya nilang protektahan tayo. Kaya rin nating ipaglaban sila. Isa nga sa kwento ng netizen kay Kim, we salute you, Kim, for using your platform. May you stay blessed as always. Naku, parang may ibang gustong pagsabungin sina Tony at Kim, ha? Dahil nga sa pagpopromote ni Tony ng mining, samot-saring reaction at binatikos siya ng kritiko. Si Tony palaging nasa maling bakod ng kasaysayan. Galing mga wisdom ni Tony on point, but why it doesn't align with her endorsement and line of work? Parang for sake of money na lang talaga. She has proven time and again how morally corrupt she is. Tony's spiritual beliefs don't seem to match her moral values and principles. She claimed to be a God-fearing woman, yet she always sided with the forces of evil. Makes me wonder who her true master is. And this is reason why even if her interviews went viral or interesting, I never watch a single one from her page. Wala naman kasing konsensya yan. Naturing ang makajos pero ewan na lang. Tony Gonzaga also received tens of millions by endorsing BBM. She should be asking questions. Why does she live in Forbes Park? Dapat yan hindi Tony Talks. Dapat Money Talks. People who dispense moral counsel, clothed in the guise of righteousness and honor, are frequently the architects of profound moral transgressions. The most dangerous mind is not the one that acknowledges error, but the one utterly convinced of its own righteousness, while fundamentally mistaken. I was never a fan of this woman. Anong Bible verse niya para dito? O diba, kaloka? Na talagang pinagsasabong sina Kim at Tony. Kung si Kimi ipinatitigil ang mining, si Tony naman ay iniendorso ang responsible mining. Anong masasabi nyo regarding sa issue na ito? Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.